Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the rotary attachment. We came out with one a little while ago, and the nice thing about that one is you can print two drinkware items at the same time. The only pitfall is they were limited to the 30 and the 20 ounce sized drinkware. We came up with a new one, and this one looks like this. Has a neodymium on the bottom, and unlike the other one, we actually added a little grid right here. It's not going into focus, but this will allow easier switching from one product to the other by having that little grid there. It also goes a lot lower, and it goes a lot higher than the other one. So the reason that's important is if you're doing a Pilsner just like this guy, or if you're doing a stemless just like this guy, you'll be able to do that with this new one. So without further ado, let's take a look. So this is our new rotary attachment for being able to print onto tapered items. Our predecessor, the one that can do two, that one was designed specifically for your 20 ounce and for your 30 ounce. This one can actually open up the doors to a whole lot more things that you can do. On the front, we've printed a grid in there to make it a little bit easier to set up from one product to the other. You could just take note of how many bars up. These are 1 millimeter increments. So you could just keep tabs on how many or how far up you need to go for each type. And it just, like the other one, sits down inside of there, can slide back and forth nice and easily, and is held on by the neodymium magnets here underneath. We have tested it, and it works well with the Pilsners. And it'll also work well with the stemless wine tumblers, in addition to your 20 and your 30 ounce. The adjustments will go down a lot lower than on our other model, and it'll actually go up a lot higher as well. The reason that is handy is if you're printing on a glass bottle, such as this, but the bottle is a little bit shorter and a longer neck, making it a little bit top heavy. This will actually adjust up high enough to support the neck so it doesn't want to teeter or totter. To do the adjustments, it's just as simple as our other one. So using an Allen wrench, just like so, you loosen these guys up. And then adjust it up to where you want to be. So like, say we want to be right about 20. So we got right underneath there. You'll be able to see the 20 mark. And then just go ahead and tighten this guy back down. Set it back into place, and you're good to go. So one thing that we have discovered when it comes to the stemless, once we get it all set up, got the height set properly, and have it leveled off, that it sometimes has a tendency to walk one direction or another. What we have found that works is to take something heavy. In this case, I'm just using a couple sockets. You could use something as simple as a D battery, and then just slide that down inside of there. That then gives it some weight so it'll stay in place. So even as It is turning. It is staying in place. And if you have this problem with any of the other drinkwares, you can use this same trick as well, and that'll help keep it in place. Another thing that we kept in mind when using this guy is still being able to use the factory tension to help keep your drinkware from shifting. It's able to clear it without any issues. So as we progress, we're going to test more and more different styles of cups and tumblers to see what the limit of this guy is. And as we go, we'll go ahead and post those on the website where you can purchase these, or we'll also post them in the Facebook group and on our YouTube channel as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, any questions, please post those below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.